She's a truck stop baby out every Friday night, with her hair too big and her clothes just a little too tight. One hand in her pocket and her ear cocked to the doors, 'cause she gets a little thrill each time a big engine roars. Truck stop baby, truck stop baby, dying just to know how a queen feels, flying down the road on 18 Queen. All the big boys whistle every time she turns her back, but if you got the guts to make with the yakety yak, from her bouffant hair to where her blue jeans start to fray, she's got a custom-built chassis made in the USA. Truck stop baby, truck stop baby, dying just to know how a queen feels, flying down the road on 18